Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video you're gonna learning about how to change the password of your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Stark and you're watching the Starkness Guide YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what you're waiting for, just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's dive into it, and first of all, let's simply open up your Facebook app. After that, just simply tap at the profile picture in the top right corner and then tap at the gear to open up your settings and privacy. In your settings and privacy, just go for privacy checkup in tool and resources section. Just tap on it like that and tap on the second option, how to keep your account secure. Just tap on it like that and tap continue, and after that tap skip, and that's where you can easily get the option to change your password. Just simply tap at change password, and then here give your current password, type your new password and retype your new password, and then once you're done with it, tap at save changes. It will save the changes and will change your password. So I have not changed, that's why I get the option of skip. You will have an option to next. Just tap at next, and then after that tap next again, and then tap review another topic. Once you tap on it, it will save the changes and will change your password. So that's how you can easily do that. So I would tell you guys, and if you have any question, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching you next video. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on Instagram. Goodbye till the next video.